Okay, hi everyone. We'll start to do all the questions related to motion in a straight line. Sorry for the interruption. There are some problem in my laptop, so it's in repair. After it's repaired, we'll start to do live stream. To now, we'll start to do all the questions related to motion in a straight line. I have sent all the questions in the WhatsApp group under motion in a straight line topic. In that, take 2014 34th question. We'll read the question. The displacement time data relevant to the motion of a child along a straight line path is given below. So they have given the displacement and the time in meters and seconds respectively. How this child has moved initially at when t is equal to 1 second, he is at rest. After 10 seconds, he has moved a displacement of 50 meters, and after 20 seconds, he has come to 0, and after 30 seconds, he has moved again a displacement of 50, and after 40 seconds, again the displacement is 0. During the entire period of time, he has moved in the same direction. His velocity is 5 meters per second. Total distance he moved is 200 meters. His displacement is 100 meters. So how are you going to approach this question? Let's take it like this. T is equal to 1 second. When t is equal to 1 second, he has moved a displacement of 10 meters. When t is equal to 2 seconds, moved a displacement of, he is at rest initially, 1 second. And after 10 seconds, his displacement is 50 meters. When t is equal to 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Zero 50, 0, 50, 0. So when you are doing this motion in a straight line question, first you have to have a picture of the statements given. In the question, you should take this question into a picture, so you can easily answer the question. Now let's take an object. Initially, here is an object. When t is equal to 1 second, he is at rest. After that, he has moved a displacement of 50 meters. In time t is equal to 10 seconds. After that, his displacement is 0. Then again his displacement is 50. Now, when will the displacement will be 0? Now let's take a person. Initially he is at point A and he has traveled to point B. Let's take that the distance is 50 meters. Okay. Now again this person is moving to A. He is here. After approaching this B, again he is returning to A position. So what is the distance? 50 meters. If he is moving a distance here, again he is coming here. So the total distance moved by this person, starting from A and ending at A, is 100 meters now. So what is his displacement? His displacement is 0. So this is the scenario happening here. his object is, sorry, we have taken it as a child, right? So we'll take it as child. Okay. 10 seconds, his displacement is 50 meters. And then now how this time is measured? Initially, when this person is stressed, they will start the stopwatch. Okay, stop. After that, after 10 seconds, after he is watching the stopwatch, in 10 seconds he has moved 50 meters. Okay, and then after he is seeing the stopwatch in 20 seconds, his displacement is 0. It means what? This person has traveled, this child has traveled from here to here when t is equal to 20 seconds. Okay, after that, what's the displacement? Displacement is 50 meters in 30 seconds. It means this person is watching the stopwatch, and at 30 seconds his displacement is 50. It means this person should have moved from here to here again. This child should have moved from here to here. This is 50, this is 50, this is also 50, this is also 50. Then when t is equal to 30 seconds, this is when t is equal to, this is t is equal to 20 seconds, this t is equal to 30 seconds. When 30 seconds, his displacement is 50 meters, and then this person is again moving to initial position. Is also 50. So at t is equal to 40 seconds, this person has started from here, gone here, again he has come here, he has gone here, again he has come here. So at the end the displacement is 0. Now we'll read the questions. He has moved in the same direction. That's wrong. His velocity is 5 meters per second. We'll check it. Third one, total distance he moved is 200 meters. I think that should be the answer. Here, from here to here, distance is 50. 150 plus, from here to here again 50, another 50 plus, here to here another 50, from here to here another 50.